In today's video, we're going to teach you a cool West Coast swing move in 5 easy steps. Miss Megan, what are the 5 steps?
Right side pass, whip, whip with an outside turn, Apache whip, and then the fun one, Apache whip with a walk around.
All right, so the first step in this process is what we call a right side pass. It's not the right side pass you're probably thinking. It's this one, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So you lead it like a whip, 1, 2, but the follower just keeps going back, triple, and anchor, right? The reason why we like that first is because that segues into the whip really well. 1, 2, 3, and where there's that delay, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The reason why, that's pattern number 2. The reason why we like that delay on 3 and 1, 2, 3, and is because now I can change the hand for a single inside turn for count 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now there's a key for the followers, and it's to not
turn too fast.
Not turn too fast. So on that 4, on the 5, 6, 7, 8, you want to turn slowly. 2, 3, and 4. Half turn, and anchor step. The reason why that's important is so I don't get my head chopped off when we do the next part, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, where I trade the hand behind the back for 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's the Apache whip, and that's skill number 4 to get to the cool move. I want to do this, go into the camera this way so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, and here's my little tip. I like to take this hand this way, so kind of my thumb's there as we step across on 4, because not always will I be able to connect the hand, right? So I'm using my right hand to tell her I want this, but I'm using this to spin her slowly, and I'll take myself out of the way, fish her hand out on the other way. So if we look at it one more time on this side, because this skill is vital to our cool move, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you have this hand, you can get rid of it however you want, inside turn, over the head, something like that. But all of this is to set us up for the cool part, which is this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I'll give you a couple of different endings. Keys to victory for this one, we have to be able to do the Apache whip and change that hand effectively, right? That's a key. The second part of this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I've got the follower spinning slowly. She knows that I'm going to get this hand out. So as I'm coming through, 4, 5. I pick this hand up. I take this hand on her back to feed her around the corner. Walk, walk, and anchor step. So the transition from my right hand to my left hand is going to be key. I have to get the follower comfortable in just changing that hand, right? That's just got to happen automatically. Once that's happening automatically, 3 and 4, she thinks she's turning. I'm taking this hand. When I pick this up, I'm taking it down to take the slack out. I don't want this. So I take this hand down to get the slack out. This hand kind of creates a circle around the outside so we can walk, 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 and anchor step. I think I did the wrong amount of walks there, stopping in the middle, but that's what happens when you shoot videos at noon on a Tuesday. So the final thing is the exit. There's a couple of different exits that you can play with. The first one was just this simple walk, 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 anchor, step, and slide down to that hand. The other one is I can cut across this. So I'll show you that one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm feeding Megan to that side, and I can anchor and face away and then lead what I would call like a blindside tuck or something else. There's a couple of different ways you can play with that ending. Now, if you want to see how all these moves relate back to the basics, push, pass, and whip. So in this one, we did the right side pass to the whip with the outside turn, Apache whip, and then a cool move. It's all based off of a basic move, and that is going to be in our pattern tree chart. It's going to be right here, 100% free. Put in your email. Megan took about 2 weeks of her life to figure out and put all the patterns that we've ever taught and how they relate back. Super cool. Download it here. See you on the dance floor soon.